From arid deserts to lush rainforests, the scorpion's silhouette is instantly recognizable, triggering a deep-seated apprehension. This isn't merely an anecdotal observation. Studies in evolutionary psychology, such as those cited by Dr. David Barish, suggest a hardwired human aversion to creatures perceived as venomous. Even seasoned zoologists and entomologists, individuals dedicated to understanding the natural world, often approach scorpions with a distinct blend of caution and respect, a sentiment verging on primal fear. What is it about these ancient arachnids that instills such a potent, visceral response, even in those equipped with scientific understanding? Scorpions are among Earth's most ancient terrestrial arthropods, with fossil records indicating their presence over 430 million years ago, predating dinosaurs. Today, they inhabit every continent except Antarctica, thriving in diverse environments from high mountains to coastal regions, though most commonly associated with deserts. The Scorpion Files, a comprehensive online database, identifies over 2,500 species globally. This vast diversification suggests an evolutionary success story, yet it also presents a formidable challenge to researchers, identifying which of these numerous species pose a significant threat to humans. The scorpion's primary weapon is its venom, a highly complex cocktail of biochemical compounds. Research published in the Journal of Venom Research consistently describes scorpion venom not as a single toxin, but as a diverse mixture primarily composed of neurotoxins, enzymes, salts, and peptides. This intricate composition allows the venom to target multiple physiological systems simultaneously. It's this multifaceted attack, rather than just sheer potency, that contributes to the severity of envenomation. Scientists, while fascinated by this biochemical complexity, acknowledge its profound danger. Among the most potent components of scorpion venom are neurotoxins. According to reviews in Toxicon, these small proteins specifically target ion channels in nerve and muscle cells. By disrupting the flow of sodium, potassium, and calcium ions, they interfere with the transmission of nerve impulses. This leads to a cascade of debilitating symptoms: intense pain, muscle spasms, respiratory distress, and even cardiac dysfunction. For researchers studying neurology, these toxins are invaluable tools for understanding nerve function, but their effect on a living organism is precisely what makes them so terrifying. Even stings from non-lethal scorpion species can induce agonizing pain. Dr. Justin Schmidt, known for his Schmidt Sting Pain Index, has personally described the sensation of various scorpion stings as intensely sharp, burning, and immediate. The pain is not merely a localized discomfort. For many, it radiates throughout the limb, causing profound distress. While not always fatal, this immediate and overwhelming pain is a significant reason for the human aversion. It's a clear signal from the nervous system that a serious threat has occurred, demanding immediate attention and often medical intervention. The impact of scorpion envenomation extends far beyond individual incidents. The World Health Organization, WHO, classifies scorpion stings as a significant public health problem, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. While precise global statistics are challenging to ascertain due to underreporting, estimates suggest millions of stings occur annually. The burden falls disproportionately on rural communities with limited access to medical care. This highlights the urgent need for better prevention strategies and more accessible, effective treatments, a challenge actively tackled by medical researchers worldwide. Certain demographics are particularly vulnerable to severe scorpion envenomation. Children, due to their smaller body mass and less developed immune systems, are at a significantly higher risk of severe symptoms and fatality. The elderly and individuals with pre-existing health conditions, especially cardiovascular issues, also face increased dangers. A study published in Pediatric Emergency Care emphasizes that for these groups, even stings from moderately venomous species can be life-threatening. This demographic susceptibility underscores the critical nature of rapid diagnosis and treatment, turning even a small scorpion into a major threat. Out of the thousands of scorpion species, only a fraction are considered medically significant to humans. However, identifying these dangerous species can be incredibly challenging, even for experts. Genera like Androctonus, Titius, Liurus, and Centroroids are consistently cited in medical literature as responsible for the majority of severe envenomations and fatalities. The deathstalker, Liurus quinquestriatus, and the Arizona bark scorpion, Centroroid sculpturatus, are prime examples. For scientists working in endemic regions, correctly identifying the species is paramount for determining the appropriate medical response, but visual identification alone is often insufficient, requiring specialized knowledge. The deathstalker scorpion, Liurus quinquestriatus, found across North Africa and the Middle East, perfectly embodies the paradox of scientific fear and fascination. Its venom is a potent cocktail of neurotoxins, capable of causing severe pain, paralysis, and cardiac arrest, particularly in children. Its common name, deathstalker, is tragically earned. Yet, the very lethality of its venom makes it a subject of intense scientific interest. Researchers are currently exploring compounds within deathstalker venom for potential applications in pain relief and cancer treatment, a remarkable turn for such a dangerous creature. The primary treatment for severe scorpion envenomation is antivenom. However, its production and efficacy are complex. Antivenoms are typically species-specific, meaning an antivenom developed for one scorpion species may not be effective against another. This presents a logistical challenge in regions with diverse scorpion populations. Furthermore, antivenom availability can be limited, especially in rural areas, and its cost can be prohibitive. The World Health Organization continues to advocate for improved antivenom production and distribution, acknowledging that while life-saving, it's not a simple, universal solution to the global scorpion threat. For scientists, studying scorpions often means entering their natural habitats, an environment fraught with inherent risks. Dr. Lurival Passani, a leading expert in scorpion venom, describes fieldwork as a constant exercise in vigilance. Researchers must navigate rocky terrains, overturn stones, and sift through leaf litter, all potential hiding spots for these arachnids. Despite extensive training and safety protocols, accidental encounters are almost inevitable. The fear isn't just for oneself, it's also for colleagues, knowing the rapid onset and severity of symptoms that can follow a sting in a remote location, far from medical help. Even within the controlled environment of a laboratory, accidents can happen. Scientists handling live scorpions for venom extraction or behavioral studies adhere to strict safety protocols, often involving specialized tools and protective gear. Yet, scorpions are notoriously fast and unpredictable. There are documented accounts in scientific communities of researchers being stung, sometimes severely, despite precautions. These incidents serve as a stark reminder that even under professional conditions, the danger remains potent, reinforcing the respectful fear these creatures command among those who study them most closely. Why do scientists willingly face these risks? The pursuit of knowledge about scorpion venom is driven by its unique biological properties. As noted in the Journal of Proteomics, scorpion venoms are rich sources of bioactive peptides, many with high specificity for various ion channels, receptors, and enzymes. This specificity makes them invaluable tools for understanding complex physiological processes. The potential for developing new pharmaceuticals, from potent painkillers to novel anti-cancer agents, justifies the considerable dangers involved in their study. It's a calculated risk, a testament to scientific dedication. While their venom garners much attention, scorpions play crucial, often overlooked, ecological roles. As apex predators in many arid and semi-arid ecosystems, they regulate insect and small invertebrate populations, preventing outbreaks that could decimate plant life. Research by ecologists, such as Dr. Gary Polis, has highlighted their significance in maintaining ecological balance. Their presence indicates a healthy, functioning ecosystem. This ecological perspective adds another layer of complexity to the scientific view of scorpions, moving beyond mere threat assessment to an appreciation of their intrinsic value in the natural world. Perhaps one of the most surprising twists in scorpion research is the potential for their venom to offer new avenues for pain relief. The same neurotoxins that cause excruciating pain can, in modified forms and precise dosages, selectively target pain receptors without the addictive properties of traditional opioids.
Scientists are investigating specific peptides from scorpion venom for non-opioid pain management.
A review in Frontiers in Pharmacology points to ongoing clinical trials exploring these compounds, offering a glimmer of hope that a creature synonymous with agony could one day provide solace. Beyond pain, scorpion venom holds potential in the fight against cancer. Certain peptides, like chlorotoxin from the deathstalker scorpion, have shown remarkable ability to selectively bind to cancer cells while sparing healthy tissue. This property is being explored for targeted drug delivery and even as a diagnostic tool for brain tumors. Studies published in Cancer Research highlight how these unique toxins could lead to more effective treatments with fewer side effects.
The concept is astounding. A creature that evokes such fear, now a potential key to unlocking groundbreaking medical advancements.
Despite their resilience and ancient lineage, scorpions face significant conservation challenges. Habitat destruction, primarily due to agricultural expansion, urbanization, and climate change, threatens many species. Illegal collection for the pet trade or for unverified medicinal purposes also impacts wild populations.
Organizations like the IUCN maintain a red list, identifying vulnerable scorpion species.
Scientists, even as they approach scorpions with caution, recognize the importance of protecting these unique creatures, not just for their ecological value, but also for their untapped potential in biomedical science. Their survival is intertwined with our own potential discoveries.
The scientific community's relationship with scorpions is a testament to the complex interplay of fear and fascination.
Researchers, armed with knowledge, have moved beyond primal dread to a profound respect for these creatures. They understand the immense danger but also the intricate biological marvels that exist within these ancient arachnids. This balance, acknowledging the threat while simultaneously exploring their scientific utility, defines the modern scientific perspective. As Dr. P. Gopalakrishnakoan emphasizes, understanding is paramount to both prevention and progress. Ultimately, the reason scorpions continue to terrify even scientists lies in this profound paradox: their capacity for immense harm is directly linked to their potential for incredible good. Their venoms, exquisitely evolved over millions of years to inflict incapacitating pain and death, now offer blueprints for medical innovation. The investigative journey into the scorpion's world reveals not just a dangerous creature, but a vital component of ecosystems and a living pharmacy. The fear is real, but so is the profound scientific curiosity that continues to unlock their secrets, forever changing our perception of these ancient, formidable arthropods.